In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a custom table in Microsoft Word using the Draw Table tool. This method is perfect when you need a table that doesn't fit a standard grid, like when you want columns or rows with different widths or heights. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can build exactly what you have in mind. Start by opening your document and heading to the Insert tab at the top of Word. Look for the Table dropdown. Don't click a preset grid here. Instead, choose Draw Table. As soon as you select it, your cursor will change into a small pencil icon. That's your signal that you're in drawing mode and ready to design your table manually. Begin by drawing the outer border. Click and hold your mouse, then drag to create a rectangle where you want the table to sit. This rectangle defines the overall footprint of your table. Release the mouse when the rectangle looks right. If it isn't quite where you want it, you can press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. Take your time here. A clean outer border makes the rest easier. Now, add the structure inside. With the pencil tool still active, draw horizontal lines across the rectangle to create rows. Click at the left edge, drag straight across to the right edge, and release. Repeat for each row you need. Next, draw vertical lines from the top edge to the bottom edge to create columns. You control the widths and heights simply by where you place each line, so you can make narrow columns for labels and wider ones for content. If a line doesn't land exactly where you intended, undo and redraw. Zooming in a bit can help with precision. As you draw, make sure each line connects fully to the border or to another line. Gaps can create unexpected cell shapes, while clean connections produce neat, well-defined cells. If a line doesn't appear, try dragging a little more slowly and ensure you start and finish on an edge. When your layout is complete, exit drawing mode. You can do this by pressing the ESC key on your keyboard or by clicking the Draw Table option again to toggle it off. Your cursor will return to normal and your table is now ready to use. Click inside any cell to start typing. If you need to adjust the overall position of the table, hover near its top left handle and drag it to where it fits best on the page. That's all it takes to draw a custom table by hand in Word. Quick, flexible, and tailored to your content.